Do I need the instructions? Nah, we don't need it. Get the heck out of here already.
Moments later.
What do we do again? I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna pick up that box actually. I think it's time. Are you guys ready? Hello everyone, this is Sky here, and before we get started with the new holiday YouTube video, I wanted to say thank you so much for the 500 subscribers on YouTube. It should be somewhere in the screen, but we ended up hitting our goal, or the summer goal before the end of the year. I am very happy. I am very blessed and grateful to have each and every one of you come in and tune in and watch these videos. This means so much to me. So I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for us hitting 500 subscribers on YouTube. That's first thing and foremost. And then second, last year you might be thinking, well, Trickster, like, are you doing another one? Like, is this like a constant thing every year for the like holiday like YouTube video? So last year we ended up doing a baking one. We ended up baking chocolate chip cookies, and this year it's a little different. I'm not gonna say what we ended up doing, but you'll see, you know, in the rest of the video. So please, if you do enjoy the video, please give it a like, comment your favorite part of the video, and if you haven't not done so, subscribe for more. 2022 has been nothing but amazing and blessed to me, and I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you for just showing so much love this year. Thank you, it means so much to me. And yeah, without further ado, please enjoy the 2022 holiday YouTube video here in the channel, Trickster Sky. Mwah, love y'all. Happy holidays. I don't even know what to do this year for the holidays. I wanted to make chocolate chip cookies, but I don't know, should I make chocolate chip cookies? Let me see. Do you think they'll know? Yeah, how do I make these cookies? Okay.
1 hour later.
No chocolate chip cookies. Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, get over here, buddies. Hey, what's up, my cookies? This is Trickster Guy here, and I don't know what to do for the holidays, so I'm here kind of brainstorming. So this is kind of, well, cookies was the first idea, but that didn't work. So now we're gonna go with this one. Awesome DIY homemade dessert. So come look at this. Should we make this? No, I don't think so. That looks so hard. What the frick is this? A cactus? No, I can't do that. What is this? Oh! Brownie? No, I can't do this either. What is this? A donut? I cannot. No, I'm no pro. What if a gingerbread house?
Hello friends,
Hi.
Today I'm going to show you how I made this lovely gingerbread house.
Okay.
It took me several days.
Alright, I don't want to, I'm already bored. Step 1, design.
The first step
How to be designed?
in making this
I got you.
gingerbread house was designing it.
Okay, I got you,
I
Sailor.
sketched it out on my iPad, getting a rough idea of the architecture, design, and decor I wanted for the house.
Oh my god, I got
If
the
you're
perfect
making yours from
house.
scratch without a template, I would highly recommend starting here.
69 inches, 69 length. That equals 47, 61. Okay, let's get it. Hey, we're gonna make, you see this house? We're gonna do this here. Let's get it. How's it going, everyone? This is Sky here, and today, well, not today, but for the holidays, for this year, 2022, we are baking chocolate chip cookies. No, I already did that? Come on, guys. Okay, nah, just kidding. All jokes aside, we're doing something else. We're not doing cookies. Oh, what the frick? We already did that last year. Come on. If you haven't checked that out, it'll be in the link below. But this year, we're doing something better, bigger, huger. Pause. Guess what we're doing? We're doing the classic gingerbread house. Bro, I've been excited to this for the longest time. This has been on my list for like a while, but this was before I did the chocolate chip cookies. So now this year, we're doing the gingerbread house. I don't know how this is gonna come out. I hope it comes out good, but if it doesn't, then oh well. But hey, let's try to do it. Should we get started? Wait, I'm missing something. My coat and my chef hat. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my god, I am ready. Are you guys ready? Let's get it. Alrighty, let's get to baking now. It's like, just kidding. We're actually, oh my god. We're actually building the gingerbread house. How does my hat look? Does it look good? Yeah? Alright, let's get it. Alright, we're starting off with, what the frick is this? Oh hey, this is, I think this is the base. Oh, this is an expiration date. It says October 2022. Wait a sec. That expired? Ah, it's like, no, it says 2023. I'm gonna put that aside over there. Alright, let's see what we have in here. What is this? I guess we have some leaves and some red dots. I don't know what this is for, but you know what? Well, we'll leave it there. Oh, we have our peppermints. Kind of old right now. No, but it's for the house. It's for the house. Oh, these are like, these are the trees. Heck yeah. Oh, this is the good stuff. This is the what did they say? The white stuff? Oh no, I mean the easy build icing. Yeah, we'll leave that over here. Oh my god, we're actually gonna need that a lot. And we have these two last things. We have some more candy for the house, I think. And more candy. This is for like, it looks for like the rooftop. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. Oh god, this house is gonna come out so bad. And what is this? Is this is this the roof? I don't think that's roof. All right, guys. I think we're ready for the gingerbread house. Yeah, let's get it. Do I need the instructions? Nah, we don't need it. Get the heck out of here. Alrighty. Let's start with the basis. We have our house. Well, part of the house. We also have another side of the house, which is the other side of the house. What do we do again?
Moments later.
I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna pick up that box actually. Okay, now that we're back with the box with the instructions, let's see what our first step is. Okay, first step is need to massage white icing. Oh, this is white icing. This okay. They want us to massage this for 2 minutes. When ready, remove the cap from the icing pouch and slant the tip 1/4 inch from the end. So they want us to remove this once we massage it, and we go from there. Easy. Alright, let's see if some icing comes out. Oh, it does. Look, chat, look. Second step. All range. House's pieces face down. Okay, so I think we said that the house pieces are these two, right? Put it face down. Pipe a zigzag line on each of the bottom sides, along with the side edges of front of the edge back. Zip a zigzag line of the icing on bottom of each side wall. Cardboard base may be useful as a service for building the house. We don't have a cardboard, but we have this, so let's see if it comes out. Okay, so here we're gonna do a little zigzag. I don't know. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this? Can I see this? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. It's gonna go right here. Okay. No problem. We got this. Okay. So they want us to hold for 2 minutes. Okay, that should be. Oh god, no! What am I doing? Okay, so you guys could see it. Each side needs to be held for 2 minutes, okay. Can you guys see this? Okay, look. Okay, 2 minutes, okay. Look, pretty good, eh? Look at this, damn. Just this guy did that? Okay, so I think we're ready to put the rooftop. I guess we'll stop here, I believe. Oh my god, I really hope my house does not break. Oh no. Is it even like, okay, I'm gonna hold this for a minute. Oh god. Okay, 1 minute, my cookies. Okay, so we have to hold this area for another minute. Okay guys, now we have been holding this rooftop for about 20 minutes already. So I think it's already sturdy. Now that's what's left is the rooftop. So I'm gonna put some more icing in this rooftop. And then after that, I think we are ready to decorate the gingerbread house. Honestly, my cookies, I'm very proud of us. We did a really good job. So we're gonna hold this for like a minute. It says here a minute on the instructions. So this is the first thing I'm gonna do since everyone calls me Stinky. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna write Stinky on this side of the roof. So let's get it. Let's see. So this is S. I'm gonna write the S right there. Cool beans. And then we're gonna write the T. Okay. Oh no. And write the T, and then we're gonna write the I. We're gonna write the I, and then N. Oh no, my cookies, I don't have enough room. I guess. All right.
The K right at the bottom. K. Oh no, stupid. Oh no. And then the Y at the end. And then the Y.
Okay, so that goes on top. I think here in the middle, I want to put one of these bad boys, one of the peppermints. So this, I think might take a little time, but it's okay. We have all day here. So I'm gonna put this in the middle of the house. So it's like it's third eye, right? Look at this. Damn. Okay. Oh no, the rooftop is falling. No, not in my watch. It's okay. We got this. It's a portable. Oh no. Okay, wait, come on, bro. Just stay. Okay, that'll hold. And then we're gonna add this up here. Because why not? Merry Christmas. Yeah, okay. We're gonna keep adding the other parts. So I'm gonna sprinkle this over there. I'm gonna sprinkle this over there. Oh no, this fell. Oh no. I mean, okay, I'll put it up here. Okay. Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay. Alright, now we're thinking. Now we... No, it's okay. It's okay, I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. Okay. No. Come on, trickster. You know what's up. Okay. Come on, bro. I'm just trying to make it pay. I'm gonna make the best gingerbread house. Beautiful, right? One of a kind. Jeez Louise. What would you guys rate this? 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10, right? Okay. Alright, my cookies, do not leave. Stay there, stay there, stay there. I think it's time. I think it's time. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you sure? Yeah? Okay, ready? Let's see. What did I do? Hello everyone, welcome back. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I know there's some random things out there here and there, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to make it as funny as possible, so hopefully I did. Again, once again, thank you so much for an amazing 2022. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. We are more than 500 subscribers as of right now, and you know, 2022 we're gonna do it. We're gonna hit that 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's the goal, and I know we can do it. So yeah. If you want to be part of the journey, you know, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And again, once again, thank you so much for the love of 2022. It's a lot. It means a lot. Hopefully you guys have an amazing 2023 with many blessings. Alrighty, my cookies. Have a good one. I will see you guys next year. And yeah, let's go. The cookie jar all the way. Mwah.